Welcome to Visualize Your Future Self Now. We know that imagination is life's preview. If you can imagine it, you can achieve it. So get into a comfortable position, close your eyes, relax your shoulders, relax your jaw. Feel your sit bones on your chair. Be here, right now. Noticing the air as you inhale through the nose and slowly and gently exhale. Now this is your journey. You've come a long way to get to this point. You're right here, right now. And you've got a long, incredible journey ahead of you. Your potential is limitless. Just like a small acorn. You plant the acorn in the ground, and it grows to be a huge oak tree. That pure potential in that little acorn is within you too. And it's up to you to tap into it and allow it to emerge. I'd like you to imagine somebody that you admire. Somebody who is around your age, has a realistic body type that you could achieve. Someone that you admire for their health and their fitness, and they really emulate the lifestyle that you know you're meant to have. Picture this person. Picture how they walk, how they move, the daily choices they make, the glow that they radiate. Imagine yourself going through the day, making the choices as this person that you admire would do. Her habits are your habits. Her movement, your movement. Her choices, your choices. Picture it now. Make it even brighter. See it even clearer. This is your new lifestyle. You can do it. Now send her love for being so healthy and fit. Love healthy people because you're one of them. And now see and feel and experience the healthiest version of yourself right now as well. This does reflect your reality. You are capable of this. This slim, healthy body is meant for you. It's right here for you, right now. It's up to you to just feel as her today as you go about the day. And all that excess fat and unwanted body weight is just melting away. There you are. The healthy, trim version of you has emerged. Feel it. See it. Experience it. It's you. You're glowing. Your confidence is radiating. Your clothes fit so good, and you feel like you again. But now look in the mirror as you are in this moment, your current weight. As you look at her in the mirror, love her, appreciate her, send her so much gratitude for everything she has done, and love the version that you're becoming. Look in another mirror and see the future you, the strong, vibrant, slim, confident version. Love her too. Feel her. Experience her. You can love both because you are both. But right now, you're going to choose the healthier version. So today, your choices are going to reflect this version because you deserve a long, vibrant, thriving, healthy life. And you know this is the first step in making these healthy choices and also embracing exercise, movement. Taking a deep breath right here where you are. Feel good about what's coming. Feel good about being here right now. And exhale. Notice that you feel extra motivated, extra committed today as you move your body today and make those powerful choices, reaching for that healthy, crisp apple, drinking lots of cold, thirst-quenching water, putting down the soda, putting down the processed food. It doesn't serve you. Things that have lots of processed sugar and unhealthy fats, trans fats, glucose, all of those are artificial and have no place in your body. Your body is craving healthy greens and nice big salads, proteins and fresh vegetables, bananas, smoothies, all the stuff that makes you feel really good. And now, see, feel, and experience yourself in a brand new outfit. You're standing tall, looking at yourself in the mirror, feeling really good. You are so worth it. Repeat after me. I am so proud of myself. I love myself. I knew I could do it. And taking another deep breath in all the way in. And when you're ready, slowly and gently exhale and allow yourself to come back to the room. And when you open your eyes, feel more motivated, committed, and excited than ever before to go out there and make one small, healthy choice, one moment at a time. Put a smile on your face and go get 'em. You got this.